Some tips for using a CNC router to add a creative touch to your woodworking include: plan out your project in detail before starting, including creating a detailed design and determining the appropriate toolpaths and cutting parameters. This will help you achieve the desired results and avoid mistakes. Use the appropriate tools and materials for your project. For example, if you are cutting wood, use a router bit specifically designed for wood. This will ensure that your cuts are clean and accurate. Experiment with different cutting speeds and feed rates to achieve different effects and textures in your woodworking. This can help you create unique and interesting designs. Try using different materials and techniques, such as wood burning or engraving, to add a creative touch to your projects. This can help you create one-of-a-kind pieces that stand out. Don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different techniques. With practice and experience, you will become more skilled at using a CNC router for creative woodworking and be able to create unique and innovative projects. Here are some tips for using a CNC router for the first time. Make sure to properly set up your CNC router, including installing any necessary software and calibrating the machine. This will help ensure that your CNC router is working correctly and that your cuts are accurate. Plan out your project in detail before starting, including creating a detailed design and determining the appropriate toolpaths and cutting parameters. This will help you avoid mistakes and save time. Use the appropriate tools and materials for your project. For example, if you are cutting wood, use a router bit specifically designed for wood. This will help you achieve the best results. Start with a slow cutting speed and gradually increase it as you gain more experience and become more familiar with the machine. This will help you avoid damaging the material or the CNC router. Use appropriate safety measures, including wearing protective gear and keeping the work area clear of debris. This will help prevent accidents and injuries. If you are a beginner, consider starting with a small, simple project to gain experience and build your confidence before moving on to more complex projects. This will help you become more comfortable and skilled with using a CNC router. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice if you need it. There are many resources available, including online forums, user groups, and instructional videos that can help you learn more about using a CNC router.